Hello children, let us do the revision paper 1. Now here you have learnt about common nouns and proper noun. So they have asked to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. So you see, on a Sunday in December, Mamata and Raghu go for a picnic with their father and mother. Sunday, December, Mamata, Raghu. These are proper noun. Proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Children, note this point. It always starts with capital letter and it is easily recognized with the capital letter. First letter capital. Okay. Now another thing is that it has a particular name for the special things, like Mamata is the name of a person. Okay. Raghu is the name of a particular person. December is the name of a particular month, and Sunday is the name of a particular, yes, day. Okay. Now look here. What are the common nouns here? Common nouns are, so look here children, picnic is a noun and it is a common noun. Okay. They are not mentioning the name of a picnic. There are many picnic you might have visited. So here there is no particular name for this picnic. Okay. Therefore this is a common noun. And at the same time, father, mother, okay, these are also common noun. Did they mention the name of the father and mother? No. That means this is a common noun. Understood? No? Now, next, their neighbors, the prasads, also join them. So, the neighbors is a common noun, isn't it? Neighbors is a common noun. Prasad. Look at this. P capital. So, what is this? Tell me, children. Capital means it is a pronoun. It's easy to recognize, isn't it? But at the same time, you should be able to recognize the common noun also. Next, mother packs some delicious sandwiches and apples for all of them. Here, mother, common noun. Okay, no capital, that means no pronoun in this line. But the sandwiches is the name of a thing and it is a common thing. Sandwich, it is a common noun. Apples, there are many apples, so it is a common noun. Understood? Now look, father buys some orange juice from Ajay Juice Center. Father is again common noun. They didn't tell the name of the father, isn't it? So this is a common noun. And orange is a common noun. Orange juice is a common noun. This is a common thing, isn't it? There is no particular name of this orange, like a Nagpur orange. Understood? If that was the case, then N would have been capital. Okay. Now this is a common orange. So this is a common noun. Here, look, I have always said that proper nouns start with the capital letter here. Do you see this capital letter? This is the name of the particular juice shop or juice center. Therefore, they have given the name. What is the name here? Ajay. Okay. And this starts with all in capital. Next line. They take a boat to Murujanjira Fort. Okay. So children, did you recognize the common noun here? Tell me, which is the common noun? Yes, name of, they is not a noun. Take is a verb. Boat is the noun. And this is a common noun. There are many boats and this is commonly used noun, boat. Murud Janjira Fort starts with a capital letter and it is a pronoun. It is the name of a particular fort. Okay. So therefore you underline this and circle this. Okay, understood? It is a lovely fort and when the fort is not mentioned with its name, then it is a common noun. Understood, no? Mother, common noun, likes the view of Arabian Sea. See, Arabian Sea. Which sea? Arabian Sea. So this is the question for a proper noun. See, I will tell you. Mamata, a lady. Which lady? Mamta lady. Raghu, a person. Which person? The Raghu. Okay. Then Prasads, a family surname. Okay. So which surname? Prasads. Okay, like that. Now look at this. Juice shop, juice center. Which juice center? Ajay. The question will answer whether the answer will tell whether it is a proper noun or a common noun. When you have the answer through the question which, then it is the proper noun. Understood? Sea. Which sea? Arabian Sea. Fort. Which fort? Murad Janjira. Okay? Like that. They also enjoy lovely views of sunset before setting off for home. Home is the common noun here. Now, do you remember the rules for plural of the singular noun? To write the plurals of the singular noun, do you remember? S, SS, SH, CH, X, O. When the nouns end with these letters, you have to add ES. You remember this, right? I think you remember it. Yes. Now, the letters or the words ending with Y, okay, the nouns ending with Y, then you should cut the Y and then add IES, okay? For the words or the nouns ending with F or FE, you have to cut the F and FE and add the letters VES at the end to make the plural form of these nouns. Okay? Example, bus, BUS. S ends with S, isn't it? Then you have to write BUS, ES directly. Okay? Bush, BUSH. Then what will you do? BUSH, then add ES, like that. All these letters, nouns ending with these letters, you should directly add just ES, no cutting, nothing. But here you have to cut Y. For the nouns ending with Y, you have to cut the Y. You should not write Y. Instead of that, you should add I and then ES. Okay? For example, berry, BERRY, berry. BERR, do you write Y? No. BERR, no Y, and just add IES. So, BERRIES. Understood? For this, LEAF, leaf. Then you have to write LEA, no F, just write VES. LEAVES. Understood? So let us go back to this story. Look at the last ending letters of these words. Okay? Then just apply these rules and write. Okay? Remember? Y, nouns ending with Y, what you have to do? You should not write Y and you should only write IES to make it plural. Look at this. STOR, no Y, you should not write Y. Instead, you should add IES. Okay? BOX, what is the ending letter here? X. Where is X? Here. So what you have to do? Only add ES at the end. No cutting here. Okay? BOX, ES. Okay. Baby, same rule. IES. Just add IES, no Y. Okay? LOAF, loaf, ending with F. So what you have to do? VES. You have to write VES, no F. Okay? LOA, VES. Did you see this? No F. Only VES. Understood, no? Cherry. Again, no Y. Just write IES. F. So, no F, VES. Understood, no? Like that you have to write. Now look at this, children. We are going to learn about pronouns now. You remember what is pronouns? What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words we use instead of noun. Okay? Like I, you, he, she, it, they, we. I, first person. Instead of your name, you always tell I, isn't it? You, to whom you are talking to, second person. Okay? He, she, it, third person, singular, because only one person here. He means only one person. Okay? She is one person. It is also one thing or person. Okay? I mean, not person, animal or thing. They, we are plurals. Plural form of persons. Okay? When more than one persons are there, we use they or we. When you use we, you are also included. Like I am included in the we. Okay? Understood? Now let us do this. Rania has a pet rabbit. Dash also has a pet parrot. Whom are they talking about? They are talking about Rania. Rania is a girl, isn't it? It's a name of a female. So we are using a pronoun instead of this noun. So what can we use? Singular female. Which is that? I? No. It is not. We are not talking about me. So it is not I. You, second person. No. This is a third person. You are not talking to this Rania, isn't it? So, I mean, this is not the second person. You are not directly talking to Rania, isn't it? So, he, she, it. In this female, which pronoun indicates female? She, isn't it? So you are going to use she here. This is a singular female. Rania is a singular female. One female. So in one female, instead of one female, we use a pronoun she. Okay, understood? Next, the bird sits on the tree. Dash has nested there. Which is the subject here? The bird. Bird is a animal. Yes. So what do you use? I? No. You? No. He? You don't know whether it is a male or a female. It? Yes. It. Isn't it? Because we use it for a thing or an animal. Singular thing. Okay, singular thing. Therefore, bird is, it is used instead of this word bird. Okay. Now look here. Sweta and I learned basketball. Dash like to play basketball. Here we are talking about Sweta and I. That means I am included. Okay. So therefore, how can you say there is more than one person? Many are there. More than one, many. Plural. I is singular, you is singular, he, she, it is singular. But they and we are plural. Therefore, how can we know that whether it is they or we have to use here? I, when I is included in that, then we use we. Okay? We are using we pronoun. Miss Parekh is our class teacher. Okay. Now Miss Parekh means Miss. Miss word indicates that it is a female. Okay. Miss Parekh is our class teacher. Now we are talking about her. So therefore singular female means she. She is my favorite teacher. My father is a banker. Here we are talking about my father. That means father is a male, singular male. So we use this pronoun he. He works at the bank. Okay. Reena and Tina, both of dash, look tired. Here is a twist. Okay. Reena and Tina means plural. More than one. Two females are there. Okay, more than one. Many means we are going to use they or we, isn't it? Now, as I is not included in that many person, therefore we are using they. Both of they look tired. Is this correct, children? No. Is this sentence correct? Reena and Tina, both of they look tired is not correct. Both of them look tired is correct. Okay. Now there is exceptional rule for this. This you can learn about this later in another classes. A separate chapter will be there to use to tell you about this rule. Okay, you can learn about it later. Children, now we are going to do the correct form of verbs. Okay, walk, walks, shine, shines, read, reads, play, plays, leave, leaves, start, starts. Okay, two types of usages of a verb in the simple present tense. Now that is S. We add S or es to verb when we use it with the singular pronouns he, she, it. We also add S or es to the verbs when we use it with the proper noun or a common noun. As you see, he, she, it, S is added, okay, with the verb. At the same time, common noun or proper noun, okay, with that also we singular proper noun or common noun, we also add S and es with the verb. Like Ravi, proper noun, we add S with this verb. Seema, proper noun, we add S with this verb. The girl is a common noun, we add S with this verb. You have observed that Ravi, Seema, girl are all in singular form, in the singular form. Okay. So that means when you are using singular form of the third person like he, she, it and any proper noun, okay, or a common noun, you add S. But with the first person and second person and plural form of any noun, first person, second person pronoun like I, you, and more than one pronoun like they, we, or proper noun, okay, plurals like Prasad's example, okay, you use only verb along with this. So you see, verb is used with S if it is in singular form, okay, and only verb is used if the noun is in plural form or you are using I and you, okay. With this rule, with these both rules keeping in mind, we are going to do this exercise. She is a singular noun and it is okay, so therefore here whatever verb comes, it comes with S, okay. So she dash near the market. She walks near the market, shines, reads, plays, leaves, starts. Which one is correct? Leaves near the market, okay. So this is singular and we add S here. I told you, no, it comes in a opposite way. If here it is plural like this, the stars, this is plural, no, then the verb will be singular or only verb you will use, okay. No S or es added with that. It comes in the opposite way. Noun and verb comes in the opposite way, okay. Singular, plural. The stars dash brightly on the clear night. Which word is that? Shine, isn't it? The stars shine. Only shine, okay, because S is here, so here no S is here. No S is added. Understood, no? Here S, then you don't use the S here, okay. Here singular, then you use the S here. Understood, no? Let us do the other exercises. Raju dashes storybooks before he goes to bed. Read. Reads. This is a singular, then this will be in plural form. Reads. If the noun is a singular, verb is in plural form. If the noun is in plural form, then the verb is in singular form. Only this much you have to remember. Okay? The concert is a singular form. Starts at 6 p.m. Starts, S should be added. The concert starts at 6 p.m. He walks, singular, therefore S is added. I play. I am singular, no? I am only one person. Why you cannot use S here? Because I told no, it is a first person. I is first person and you is second person. In grammar, I is always used as a special thing. So therefore, only verb is added here. No S is used along with the I. Okay? With the verb, no S is added with the verb when it comes with I. Understood, no? I play in the garden with my kittens.